Hello fans, today I am playing some Beast Form Simulator. I didn't post the last video just because I couldn't get out of my recorder. It kind of broke and I couldn't stop recording. So I'm just playing a little bit of Beast Form Simulator. I wanted to record it just for a bit because I felt like why not. Probably nobody's gonna watch this on today because Super Bowl. Most people are probably gonna watch that. And I'm just averagely playing some Beast Form Simulator. I recently got a Mythic V, so yeah, that's pretty fun. I stopped playing this game a while ago just because I kind of got bored of it, but I still kind of like it a lot because it's pretty fun. I'm probably just gonna grind my way up to the top. Either that, or I'm just gonna buy my way up to the top. That's what a lot of YouTubers do, to tell the truth. Right now, I'm working on some business quests. Science Bears one is almost done. My auto clicker just ran out of time because I didn't really want to spam click, so I just started using an auto clicker temporarily. There, auto clicker should be on. No, it's not. I'm still learning how auto clicker kind of works. Location. Stop. Click. Start. There. Or not. I think something might be funky is going on. It says, starting background recording, microphone's recording is on, and it keeps on showing me this. So, if anything's glitching, I'll know, and I probably won't post this video. I think it's just because I'm trying to turn on the auto clicker. You know, I'm just gonna not use the auto clicker because I think it's messing up everything. What's going on, Mr. Xbox Game Bar? You're really glitching. Whatever. Yeah, so I'm playing some Roblox. Soon I'm gonna probably do another Arsenal video where I play Blue Leopard games. Working with my editor to make an intro. Definitely sub to her. Nightmare Dragons Forever is my intro maker. So yeah. Right now, I'm just trying to grind up to another B, which I already can afford actually. I'm gonna have to collect all the pollen and from the bamboo field, so I'm just gonna go back to the spawn. And if you guys played this game, I know you're probably thinking spawn's over there. Well, I'm just gonna. I prefer taking the cannon up here. Yeet. I'm gonna make honey first, and then auto-clicker is still running. You can see my thing just going up and down because I left the auto-clicker on. It shouldn't be very choppy anymore because I don't see anything weird going on. But I might need to not use the auto-clicker because I think it's messing up the recording a bit, but if it's not, that's great. And almost there. Bam.